Hey guys, welcome to my channel, River's Room. My name is River, and today I'm going to be filming a fidget review, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the Addams Family Musical, the production at the back. So first we're just going to talk just a little bit about the Addams Family Musical production. So, when this is coming out, hold on. I think today's the 15th. Hold on, just a second. Okay, so when this will be coming, Dolly. Okay, sorry, my cat and my dog are fighting. Anyway, stop it, Dolly. Leave. Okay, so this video will be coming out July 16th, and there is a show on July 16th. There's also a show tonight, but you guys won't be able to see it tonight because, yeah. And they all at 7 o'clock p.m. So, all at 7 o'clock p.m. and you can see it tomorrow and Saturday. Those are the last days. They're all at 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. Okay? And if you look at the bottom, you can just see that, all of that. Okay. So you can order tickets, or you can order tickets while you're there. Yeah, so $15 for adults, $5 for children, 10 and under, and then $10 for seniors, students, and the military. So let's just get started with my video. I really hope you come and see this because my dad is actually the director of this, and my sister's in it too. So I really hope you guys come and see it. Okay, and tell them, and when you come, if you do come, say like, I'm River's Room, I'm her biggest fan, or something like that. So anyway, we have 10 fidgets that I'm going to be reviewing today. So there are fidgets that you might be familiar with. Okay, so first we're going to review the puppet. I have 3 puppets. I have more. They're just scattered around the house. Okay, I'll be right back. And I'm sorry you have to see my dirty kitchen. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry that you had to see my kitchen. Anyways, I just closed those doors. So, okay, whatever. So first we have this blue bear puppet. I have a lot of fidgets, but listen. Let me do, is this something? Oh, here's the good side. Okay, I hope you guys heard that. You might have not. Alright, and then we have the octagon, a rainbow octagon. They're some popping down. Okay. There we go. This one's satisfying. Let me get to the loud side so you can hear. Okay, and then we have this one that I got at Target. This one I got off of Amazon. This one, I forgot where I got it. Wait, probably got it off of Amazon. Okay, ready? Well, I'm on the bad side. Maybe I'm on the good side, and it's just not that loud. There is a game that you're supposed to play with these, but really, it's just a pop it, and it's, there we go. I really hope you guys can hear this. Anyway, so those are puppets. They're kind of like good. Some are like sturdier than others. See, look at this one. Bend all the way in half. This one I can just go like that. It's so sturdy. So, and this one's kind of flimsy. These are all made, they're just silicone pop toys. So I'm just gonna give them a 6 out of 10. And I'm gonna rate all these fidgets something out of 10. Okay, next is something kind of like Dolly. It's something kind of like, sorry. Okay. I don't know why I did that. Okay, this is just a dimple. Simple dimples are just 2 pieces. This is just a dimple. And it doesn't make that much noise. And I don't like how there's bigger ones. I just like the small one. It's so fast. Oh yeah, guys. If you come and see the Addams Family on tomorrow, if you see this video before that, before 7 o'clock, then you can come and see me, because I might be there on Friday, but I know I'm going to be there on Saturday, so you might have a chance of meeting me, so. Oh yeah, guys, and this is at the pack. You can either get your, okay, whatever. My dad will he will probably put more information about the, show at the end. So, anyway, so this is a dimple. It has different color pop, and it's a real weird shape. It has big and little ones. I've had this one for a while because I got it off of Amazon. Yeah. But it is good on the smaller ones. I don't like the bigger ones. So for that, I'm going to give it, it's still pretty good. So I'm going to give it the same ranking as the Pops, 6 out of 10. Alright. Next is a snake. Don't mind that thing that just flew out. Hold on. Let me get this all straight. Okay, so this is a snake. It has some pieces missing, but it's still really good, and it's kind of noisy, but it's still like really fidgety. And it's a small one. I don't think I've ever seen this. I have like a huge green one. I would have brought it, but then I was like, this one is like so much better. And it is broken, but it's still really good. So this one, it's loud and it's missing some pieces, but it's still really good. I might give it a 7 out of 10. It's better than the Poppets and the Dimple. Am I right? Okay, next we're gonna do Neatos. There's so many different types of Neatos. These are just like stress balls. So I'm gonna, sorry, this one's disgusting because it was rolling around on the floor. Okay, this is a gumball Neato. I have a shiny Neato, I just don't know where it is. And then this is a cat Neato. I found these both at Spencer's in the town mall. These are so soft, and they have some type of filling in them. I don't know what they have in them because I don't want to cut these open. Anyway, but these are like super soft. They do attract dust though and make them all dirty and stuff. That's a minus point. I was gonna give it a 9, but since it attracts dirtiness, I'm gonna have to give it a 8. So these are really good though. I definitely recommend these fidgets. Poppets are good too. Well, I shouldn't. And they stick together, by the way, look. They kind of have a stick. so they won't get stuck to your walls if you throw them on your walls. Okay, next is another stressful thing, but it's not a needle. This is called a mesh ball. I found this one at Target in so it has the toys and then it has the men's stuff, men's clothes. It's at the very end. It's like after the last act. Anyway, it's like very close to the men's clothes. Okay, but this is a really good fidget. It's kind of hard to squeeze, but you have to get used to it. And it kind of looks like corn when you squeeze it. And I got this red one because it's the only one they had. But I used to have one of these. It was green and had a white net. But this one has a pink ball, and it's actually color changing. So, this one's cool. This one's hard to squeeze. So I'm going to give it a 9. But still really good of a fidget. This is like one of my first fidgets. Not this one, but that type of fidget. Okay, now... Oh, here's another squeezing thing. Here are mochis. I only have 3. But they're still really fun. Okay. I dropped it. Okay, so mochis are... They're little squishy toys. So they can lay on your table and you can just squish them. So my hand is the table. Okay? And you just squish them non-stop. And they're a little bit sticky. That's why these two are like really dirty. And there's a bunch of different animals. This one I found at Target with like lip balm and nail polish and stuff. There's a pink one and orange one. And I bet they'll still have them. They're from the Magic and More. These two I found on Amazon in a fidget pack. So I have a unicorn and a panda. You never know what you're going to get out of that pack. Okay, so those are mochis. They're really small and they're kind of cute. But they're actually really good fidgets. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Okay, now I'm going to do marble mesh. And then I'm going to do monkey nail. And then I'm going to do slime. Okay, yeah. I'm giving it all away. Okay, whatever. So this is a marble mesh. There's a marble inside of this net thingy. It's called marble mesh. And you just move around the marble and it's actually really satisfying. This one I definitely give a 10 out of 10. And it's my favorite color, so. I know last video I said that purple and teal is my favorite color. But add yellow into that mix. Please. Okay. Sorry. Now I'm going to do monkey noodles. These, I also got them at Spencer's. It's in like a Japanese food box, kind of, and it says noodles on it. So, and it also came with a yellow one. I just don't know. I forgot where I put it. I know where I put it, but I forgot what the thing that it was in. So whatever. Okay, these are actually really satisfying. So here's a green one, blue one, a pink one, an orange one. Me and my sister, we braided these 3 together, and we gave it to my cat, Kooky, because he absolutely loves these things. So these are a 10. 10 out of 10. We have our first 10 out of 10. Okay, I'm going kind of quick because this video is really long. Okay, I have a lot of slimes. But these are the slimes that I did last video. But I did mix them. I did put some new things in them. New things in these. So, yeah. Let's see what I have put. Okay. If you don't know what last week's video was, definitely go check it out. And also, I have like some slimes that have like big containers, so I just put them in these. So, yeah, I'll show you. And then I just put them in these containers because me and my mom, we were playing fidget trading. Oh, I forgot about squishies. So we're gonna do slimes and then squishies. Okay. So these three, they were all slimes that I just put in here so I could play fidget trading and not have like big boxes of them. This one's pink and is not gold. This one is blue. This one is blue. This one's cloud slime, and these two are like jelly slime. I don't like them, but I'm only gonna open one that I didn't decorate last video, so I'm gonna do this one. This one is so if you look at it like this, you think there's nothing in it. I'm gonna turn around. All the beads are on the other side. It's so cool. But I put way too much because I just wanted to get rid of all of the white beads. So I put way too much in here, but it actually kind of feels good. It's kind of lost its stretch because of all the beads, but it's still good. I love this slime even more. I'm just gonna go through and touch them all. And I'm not gonna have you sit through all this, so I'm gonna do it. And then you guys can, and then, yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done touching 15 slimes. You can't see, but okay. Here goes 6. Go with it. 15 slimes. So I give these an 8 because there was a lot of bad ones that I did not like. You can understand why I did not like them from my last video. Anyway, now we're gonna do squishies. So that was an 8. So let's check out squishies. These are all broken banana splits. Broken banana parts because my banana broke. My sister just tore it apart. Anyway. These are still really good squishies. But they've been around for a long time. There's nothing wrong with these, honestly. Let me give it a second. There is nothing wrong with these babies. So, 10 out of 10. Now it's time to review homemade. I made all these by myself. So first we have homemade monkey needle. I'll compare. Okay, so we have monkey needle. We have a white monkey needle made of tissue and paper versus a green monkey needle made of silicone. I don't even know what this is made of. Okay, whatever. So it's not squishy. This one is not squishy, but homemade. It's not squishy. Kind of squishy. Does it shake when you squish it? Okay. Yeah. See if this one does. Shh. Ah. Okay. See? So doesn't move around like crazy. Sorry, my earbuds fell out. Okay. Alright. This one's heavier. Okay, anyway. I'm not rating these because I'm just gonna give them all a 10 out of 10 because I did my best effort on these, okay? Homemade squishy. Just grab a real squishy. This is made out of tissue and tape. That's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna pick that up later. Okay, ready? Squish. This one's still going back. This one's still going back to sides. This one's a more slow rise. Okay. I cannot read these. Okay. So then I have ow. That hurt. Okay, whatever. Now I have a real I have a homemade marble mesh. It's made of a marble, plastic, and tape. The plastic is from plastic bag. I actually didn't make this one. A friend made it for me. He's such a good friend. Okay, then I have a homemade dimple. It's a single dimple. But honestly, you can just do this. It's made of Jolly Rancher wrappers. The plastic. Did I put it in the plastic? Then plastic bag and tape. Pretty sad. Pretty sad. Pretty sad. Pretty sad. Okay, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Please go see Addams Family. My dad will put more information at the end of the video. And because he is a director, so he knows more about this than I do. Anyway, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love ya. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video.